What's happening, everybody? It's Beachin With The Boones, and today we're back at you know where, Surfside Beach Pier. Here it is, August, and the pier is still being put together. So at first glance, you see a brand new sign. See the sign?
Yes, unless they just painted it. Let's go check it out.
That looks like a new sign, but I don't know. Now look at your ice cream sign up there at the top.
Oh yeah.
Most of the construction has been removed here in the front, but it's still ongoing.
Still no handrails walking up the steps yet.
Yeah, that's a good indication. But those lights look pretty new. They weren't there last time, were they?
I think so. I think they were.
You think they were?
Mm-hmm.
And if you are unfamiliar with this location of this pier, it's right beside the River City Cafe here in Surfside Beach. Surfside Drive. So that projected date of June 16th has come and gone. And here it is, August. I see some concrete patio. And there's no railing yet on this ADA ramp. See it?
I see it.
That's just put there so they can get up and down real fast while they're doing construction. And we decided to come out during the hottest part of the day here.
Oh, look at this.
So look at the thousands of people on the beach. Huh.
Well, goodness.
Drippy's. Drippy's homemade ice cream.
That sounds good right about now. I could go for some ice cream.
Right.
We need to go get some. Well, I was also looking at the comments today on our YouTube channel, and one of our subscribers, Key, told us a good story about the gay dolphin. Did you see that?
Yeah, I did.
So Keith's story is he went to the gay dolphin whenever he was 5 years old, and he got turned around and got lost from his family. And now every time he goes in there, he has anxiety issues of that moment whenever he was 5 years old. So that made me smile because I love to hear memories. Childhood memories are great. And that was cute. So every time we go into the gay dolphin now, we're always going to remember 5-year-old Keith in the gay dolphin. That was cute. Thank you for sharing, Keith. If you have a childhood memory, comment below because we'd love to hear them. I know we all have
a childhood memory of
Myrtle Beach,
Myrtle Beach or Surfside or the surrounding beaches.
Right, Garden City, wherever you and your family may have beached one day.
Huh.
It'd be cute. I'm sure there's a lot of them. I'd have a lot of them. So, as you can also remember, the last couple of times, if you look back on the videos, that this was pretty much where we could walk straight up underneath it. And as you can see today, there you have the wash coming.
Now, I know a few people have mentioned how short it was. It looks longer than Pier 14 does.
And the waves have been a little rough this week. So as you can tell, stirred up the bottom of that ocean.
Look at the thousands of people.
I see that. Look at that banana boat thing out there. You see it? That jet ski pulling it. I'm gonna stick my feet in the water. It's hot.
There's a look at Garden City. 300 feet. No surf casting.
Woo. Nice.
How does it feel?
Good, feels good. What's that say? No swimming 300 feet?
No, it says no surfing.
Oh. I see people are already starting to camp out right up underneath the pier to get that shade. That is a good idea. It's very nice and cool up underneath there. Keep that sun off your head.
You said you had a memory.
Yeah, I have a good memory.
A childhood memory.
A childhood memory. We were my sister and I were probably about 6 or 8 when we went to that water slide beside the Hudson's Flea Market.
Wild water, wild water
I think that's
wheels.
the name of it now. Yeah, in Surfside. We begged our parents to go, and finally okay, let's go. Well, we got into that wave pool. My sister cannot swim. Waves were going over her head, and I am a good swimmer. Thought I could save her. She's out there screaming, help, help. Well, anyway, they had to shut off the whole entire wave pool. So embarrassing. Shut off the whole entire wave pool and get us out. 2 lifeguards jumped in and saved our lives. And I have never been back to the water park. Or at least I've been to water parks, but I've never been into a wave pool again. And I definitely don't swim around her no more. But
So were you embarrassed?
Oh, very embarrassed and humiliated. And she thought she was gonna die.
Oh.
But anyway.
Well, thank you, Bunny B, for sharing your experience. Well, I'm not sure about the projected date here. We'll try to find it, but it looks almost complete. A couple more railings and whatever else they have to do. I see the benches up there.
I know everybody's ready to go and get up there.
Obviously, these pop-up tents are allowed here in Surfside. Because I know there's other places along the beach here that they're not allowed. Well, it was so hot, we had to get up under the River City Cafe here to do our closing. Well, that wasn't a lot, but that was a quick look at the construction update of the Surfside Beach Pier. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.
That's right, and let's go check out some ice cream. See you in the next video.